Well, guys, welcome to the series. Finally, I've got around to restoring this mower deck, and here's some of the before pics. Look pretty grimy, and unfortunately, I didn't get very much footage, any footage, of taking it apart due to it took days, weekends, hours upon hours of hammering away, torching this stuff off. I really don't have any footage of that, but it was a mess. Here, some of the parts, easy parts, laid out. We took thousands of these pictures. Well, not thousands, maybe dozens, but reference pictures, and we just went on. It took a long time, but finally, we're about done the deck now, and it just took a long time to take that thing apart. So sorry I don't have any footage of that, more footage of putting it together. But it was rusty, it was beat up, and that took a lot of time in itself. Just hammering away in the evenings till 11 o'clock, sledgehammer and propane torch. So yeah, I apologize I don't have really too many in between pictures. But that's just the way it was. It took a long time, and uh, most of the time I went out to the back not expecting to do a lot of work, like after supper for 15 minutes, and that ended up going till like 11:30. So I wasn't prepared. We just took it as it come, a couple hours here, a couple hours there, a day here, a day there. But anyway, as you saw, it was really beat up. The deck was really beat up, rusty and all that. It just went straight to the sandblaster's place, and I think the guy charged me $80 for it, all sandblasted. So it came back like you see here, and then I immediately threw on some primer. I was just using spray bomb pot primer, but it was the U-Pull. It's 1KH primer, just in an aerosol can, which is a lot more convenient, although more expensive. So yeah, we're just putting it on here, and this part, it seems like we got to the painting part really fast in this video. That's how it portrays it, but it's not. It took months. Now this this primer and the paint that we will be using it's just nasty stuff. You can smell it from a mile away, knowing it causes cancer, all that. Make sure you're wearing a good respirator with new filters, save years off your life. But this stuff is bad stuff, but yet it works. It's a lot better than Tremclad. So it's more expensive, probably 3 times as expensive if you add it all up, but it definitely does a more professional, more automotive type job. Okay guys, so here we got our gravel guard out here, and I decided to do gravel guard for the bottom. Short on blue paint, didn't want to buy another quart. I had enough left over for my tractor just to do it, the deck, or the top side, and the cover and all that. Anyway, this gravel guard is $8 for this can. It took 1 can to do two coats on the bottom. Anyway, this stuff was awesome to spray on, and it's a big can. So I'm used to the smaller ones, so I'd be hitting back and stuff I'd already painted. But I think for $8, can't beat that. It's rocker guard or gravel guard for rocker panels. I think it's gonna work great for our use, and I hope it's gonna hold up. I'm pretty sure it's gonna hold up. So I hit it with 2 coats of that gray primer, that 1KH primer, and then here we're spraying, Dad's spraying the deck with or blue. Well, thanks very much for watching part 1 of this, I think, 3-part series. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment, and share, and we'll see you in the next part.